So when performing a squat, the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure the bar is in the correct position. So as you can see, my chest is even with the bar. So it's not too high and it's not too low. And as you can tell by the setup, I have it shoulder width apart. My hands are placed on the bar. And the first step of the squat is to take it off the rack. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to get right under it, left and right, and you want to try and pinch your shoulder blades together, and think like an egg is right in between your shoulder blades, and have a slight knee bend, and you're going to want to make sure that the bar is placed not too far up where it's on your neck, but not too far low, so it can move. You want to put it right on your trapezoids, and then from this position where you have a slight knee bend, you're just going to want to stand up, just like that.